Welcome back everybody. In today's video I'm going to go over this wired backup slash monitor camera from Foxpark. I'll go over some of the features, what's included in the box, and how to install this. Let's take a look. This is Foxpark's F7 Pro wired backup camera. Inside the box, you're going to find your backup camera installation kit user's manual. Comes with your monitor. This camera is a plug-and-play system. You're going to have 20 feet of video monitor cord along with your power adapter. A really nice suction cup mount that swivels, so you can place it on your windshield or anywhere where this will stick to it. This kit includes a high-resolution backup camera with 6 LED lights on the side that will come on when it gets dark outside. It'll also include some zip ties and some wire clips. For this setup, I'm going to be using this backup camera system as a monitor for inside the back cab of my truck. You can monitor your kids, your babies. If you have any animals, you can also set it up to keep an eye on them to make sure everyone's all right and having a great trip. There's 2 ways you can wire up this backup camera. The first one is a plug-and-play system where you just connect your wire harness to this auxiliary wire kit here. It plugs in and it'll connect directly to your monitor. And all you have to do then is plug this into your outlet on your vehicle and it'll power it up. This is the way I'm going to be installing it in this video. The second way you can install this camera kit is with these 2 wires here and the supplied wire clips that come with it. These 2 wires would simply connect to your reversing lights on your vehicle. If you're going to attach the camera on your license plate and use it as a backup camera, this way every time you put the vehicle into reverse, this camera will automatically come on. The first step to installing this camera used as a monitor with the supplied power supply cord here that comes with it. You want to take the wire that comes off of the camera monitor, find the one on your wire harness that says to display, and connect them. It's going to be a slight groove on the end of here and you want to line it up with the groove on this harness here. Push it in until it's fully seated. Next, find your power supply cord. Take the end of that wire and connect it to the one that says to power on the wire harness that's included. And the final step is this last connection here. That is where your monitor will plug into. For this demonstration purpose, I'm going to just leave everything zip tied up here like this. But what you would want to do is find where you're going to locate your camera, whether it's inside your cab or on the back of your license plate, and then run your wires up underneath, up to your front here, and then tidy them all up real nice. Now that we have all the wire harnesses connected, I'm going to go ahead and plug the camera system into my 12-volt supply. And then all you need to do to turn on the camera is press the red power button on the DC supply. And you can see now the camera's working. As you can see on the display where that red line is, if you're using this camera as a backup camera, you'd want to stop before you came up to the obstacle where this red line goes on the grid. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this camera on the back of my seat so I can monitor anybody that's sitting in the back or any pets that I might have. Right now I got the camera placed on the back of the seat. As you can see, it's a great feature for keeping an eye on your kids while you're traveling, or if you had any babies, you could face the camera from the back window towards the front, facing the baby car seat hauler. Or if you had any pets, you could place it anywhere you wanted to keep an eye on your pets and make sure everyone's having a great trip and no one's in danger. If you're going to use this camera as a monitor for inside your vehicle, you can disable these backup lines. What you're going to need to do to disable those backup lines is just simply snip this green wire here that's on the wire that goes to the camera system. With this included suction cup mount for your windshield, this monitor can be placed anywhere you would like on your windshield for ease of view and for safety. As you can see, this backup camera monitor system is a great added feature if you have kids or pets. Not only can you use it for your license plate for backing up or mount it to the front of your vehicle if you're pulling into your garage, but it can also be used as a monitor. Keep an eye on your kids, pets, or whatever else you may have in the back seat. It's an added peace of mind knowing that your kids or pets are safe while you're traveling. If you're interested in this backup camera monitor system, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.